Hello, everyone. We are doing the live stream on YouTube. Welcome to our live stream. Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. So we are doing the live stream here on YouTube first time. Look forward for your stay at our live stream now. And you can turn off the light. Yes, turn off this light. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. This light, you can turn off this light. So we do inspection for 13 years and focused on quality inspection, on the factory audit. Mm-hmm. 把这个圈圈的关掉嘛。圈圈关了。圈圈这个在哪边啊？对，圈圈的在这个后面关的。嗯。哦，这个怎么那么黑呢？这个怎么画成画粉？嗯，对，好一点。但是你那电脑怎么这么黑呀？那里？对，因为我是第一次使用，所以先试试看。嗯。哦，网络不稳定，怎么会这样子？花，这花拿开，不用啊，亲手这么拿进，他是。哦，那他也是他的就用他的，先试试吧。喂 ，Hello。嗯 ，OK。这个。好慢，你干什么？我的另外一个手机拿一下，我的另外那个手机我们做 Facebook 直播的。对。请稍。对。那今天我就先做好吗？我先做一下，然后呢，我等一下要去接小孩子。打开了，打开我看看。稍等一下啊，还有几分钟，2分钟啊，我写个主题。How to improve product quality. live sharing, quality control process, and 哦，那个都是夹好了的，对不对？那个都插上了吧？好。
哎，Cindy，早上这个灯不亮是为什么呀？
这个就没用吧，先好，拿走。
好，不管它了啊，我们直接先开始。还有，你先点这边的开始，然后再点这边的开始，然后调整一下这个。哎，这个后面这个都没有，
他在弄，
投屏上没有的呢。
有，刚才那个。
好，开始，那就开始。哎，点开始就好了啊。对。等我一下，等我一下。OK。Hello, good afternoon, and happy Friday to everyone. This is Elson from BD. So, as usual, we start our live stream about quality inspection again through Alibaba stage and Facebook stage, as well as YouTube stage. Okay, so based on those platform and stages, we want to share to worldwide buyers how is the uh, quality inspection process and how to do and how to test the products. Welcome our friends to our live stream. We are sharing about the quality control process, inspection knowledges to Alibaba buyers, Amazon sellers, and YouTube channels friends. Thank you. Firstly, briefly introduce about the BD inspection background. BD inspection focus on quality inspection since 2008. Now it's 13 years. We have focused on quality inspection on 80,000 inspection cases and visited about 4,000 different factories in China, India, Pakistan. Okay, so our advantages over other companies will be we provide the inspection report in the same day of inspection and provide the detailed inspection report in the next day. So you can have the inspection result in the same day, detailed report in the next day after the inspection. And second advantage is we have experienced inspectors who is English speaking and can averagely have over 6 years inspection experiences. So our inspectors is a professional and experts. I'm very proudly to tell you, based on those 13 years acceleration, we have rich inspection experiences. Most of the product categories we have the product checked. So if you are interested, please type us your product name so we can send you our sample report, our catalogers for you. Even though there is no the same product sample report, but there must have the similar uh, product catalogs for you. Now, our next advantage is uh, our inspection cost is included all the traveling cost or hotel fee cost because our inspector is the local guides. Okay, and we provide maximum two times inspection cost refunding to clients if you not happy with our inspection services. Those are most of our competitors they not provided. Okay, so those are the advantages of our company. Here I want to share some products. I want to share some products and to let you know how we do the inspection. So first the products I want to share is a wooden case international mag chess, international chess, magnetic international chess. This is a wooden international mag chess, so no much of the functions. So basically will be a very simple checking, but they still have many themes, uh, many issues needed to be attention. Okay, if you like us, Alibaba buyers, Amazon sellers, if you like us, please follow us. Thank you. Because we do inspection over 13 years and more clients uh, needed inspection. So in the future or right now, you will need inspection company like us as your partner. Okay, please follow us. Thank you. Uh, this wooden magnetic international chess is very popular in uh, America, European, and some other countries. And this is a very uh, uh, intelligence games for the children, for the kids, even for the adult people. We helped our clients check it for many times, and the factories uh, of this kind of product is located in Zhejiang province, in Yiwu city or in Renhe city, right? So you can understand we checked and visited different factories, so we have the knowledge and information about factories, good factories, bad factories. Okay, so if you uh, interested, you can contact us. We can introduce factories for you free. Thank you. So uh, this kind of wooden box, magnetic international chess, is very small sizes, and for us, the first thing is to make sure the order quantity is available. Suppose your order is 1,000 sets. Our inspector at the factory need to check and counting if there is 1,000 sets available. Welcome, welcome our friends. This is a BD inspection. We are sharing to Alibaba buyers, Amazon sellers with quality inspection knowledges. Thank you. So take this wooden international chess as example. We are sharing the inspection testings, issues, and how we do the inspection. Okay. Firstly, of course, basic information will do to count the quantity if it is available. So uh, you may be asked, when should we uh, uh, go to uh, go there for inspection? So we suggest the inspection status, the goods status ready for inspection should be 100% finished production and about 80% is packed because why in needed the status of 100% production finished and 80% is packing, because inspector needed to take examples, needed to open the packages to check one by one of those sample sizes. So if all the goods is packaged, so inspector maybe uh, damaged the box of the uh, product, and will have less time to check more samples. Uh, so once there is some goods is packed, so we can take the examples from some of the packed quantity, from the unpacked quantity. It can let us do more sizes inspection and save some time and not damage it too much of the cartoons. Okay. So first thing for clients you need to remember is the state the order status for inspection will be 100% production finished and 50 to 80% package is packed. This is the uh, most good, most suitable status for inspection. And inspector check the quantity for clients from the cartoons, the unit sets to make sure it's full quantity. Then we need to make sure the product uh, individual package and the out cartoon packages. This packaging information is two important information. Firstly, is the correct size and dimension. It's important information for clients to get the shipping quotation. And the next information is if it's, this package is correct and strong enough in case of any damage during transportation. Okay, inspector will check the size and dimensions of the cartoons on the individual packages, and check the information on the cartoon like the um, cartoon number, barcodes, size and weight, as well as some uh, logos on the cartoons. If the cartoon is not strong enough, it will be damaged. If the cartoon is not properly packed, like it's too large or it's too small, it will be uh, waste your shipping freight, or it will be damage your box. So a very firmly, very strong, and probably cartoon is very important for clients. After the quantity checked, uh, we will need to check this uh, product itself. So here we will have a question. Uh, how do you uh, make sure we received the full quantity? So this is another service we provide, that is uh, container loading supervision. That means when you after you paid and before shipping, our inspector need to visit your factory to make sure the goods is loaded correctly and shipped out from factory correctly. So we can make sure your goods is shipped in time and correctly. That is the service of container loading supervision, or another name as shipment checking. Many clients will be also asking, and how do you check? How do you make sure uh, the product quantity uh, is at what we required? So we ask the clients always provide the order information as detailed as possible. Suppose this kind of this chess order, you place it to your factory, and you ask us to do the inspection. Uh, Firstly, we suggest the client to provide us the approved example for us as the inspection standard for reference. Okay, we will make the comparison. Okay, if the product It's same as your approved example. But how to do if you not have the approved example? So it's need your client, need the buyers as you to provide as detailed as much informations like the purchase order, the pictures, your special requirement, your logo, your shipping marks, every information you provided to us, and our inspector will check one by one. And if you just send us some basic information to go for inspection, the inspector maybe cannot give you the inspection result. It's acceptable or rejective or pass or pending, right? So clients as you need to remember another thing is provide the order information to inspection company as detailed as possible. It can help us to provide you the exactly inspection result. Okay, back to the checkpoint of this product. We uh, we need to check how many quantity of this order. Can we do the inspection for full quantity? Some clients will be asking. So based on the international average quantity level, we follow the level two. It's the default. It's the default standard. This is a kind of a standard to sort the sample size as well as the defective levels. Is acceptable or rejected. Okay, this order is 1000 sets. For random inspection of AQL2, we need to check 80 pieces randomly out of this 1000 pieces. Okay, so if you want to ask your order, how many quantity needed to be checked, please write to us. So we will uh, answer you with the sample size. Okay, of course, you will asking, can we do can we check the sample quantity at my liking? Means it's a customized quantity. Of course, clients as you can ask our inspection company to check based on full quantity inspection or customized quantity as you like. Okay, I want to check 1000 sets one by one. That is full inspection. I want to check the quantity by 500 sets. Of course, it's your customized quantity. The differences will be need different inspectors' time, days, and different costs. Now, I want to tell you more and more Amazon sellers, Alibaba buyers, they prefer using the full quantity inspection because they want reduce the bad reviews and pick out those possibly defective products before shipping. So it can improve their quality level and reduce the bad reviews. Uh, we here remind and suggest to our client that uh, do not put yourself in big risk just want to save some of the small money of inspection cost. Okay, we have the very clients have better experiences. Is they skipped the inspection process and let the goods shipped directly, and finally they tasted the medicine. The bad things is have very bad quality found, but it's too late. We always want to tell our clients inspections mean is to stop the bad things happen before shipping. Okay, so back to the point to check this wooden chest. How we do in the to check? So firstly, we take the examples randomly. 1000 pieces we check. We take 80 pieces. Needed to be checked. Take the examples from different cartoons to be averagely, but not in the same cartoon. It means to let the examples can cover as much as possible of the whole quantity of order, right? So inspector uh, need to take the 80 pieces from different cartoon and to open the individual box to check those chassis one by one. One by one means those 80 units of international chess we need to check all one by one. Okay, and the rest quantity we will not check. This will be the random inspection. It's the most economic way and to get the result of your goods. So, do you understand what I'm explaining? So, if you like us and if you think we have explained correctly, please give us some likes or follow us. We have the very uh, we averagely we already regulate our live stream on every uh, Wednesday and Friday on the 16:30 of China time. Okay, Beijing time 16:30 on uh, every week. Wednesday and Thursday we'll have our live stream. We will share clients about different products. Okay, and fourth information I want to share to clients is inspection is not everything, but it's really an unskippable process for the buyers who is selling on uh, internet, on store, on Amazon or Shopify, because even a single bad reviews will let your goods uh, will let your selling to be ranking down. Okay, welcome, welcome our friend Dida. Uh, uh, this is a BD inspection. We are sharing to clients of Alibaba buyers and Facebook, Amazon sellers about quality inspection process, inspection knowledges, and take some examples as a standard to sharing to you uh, how to do the inspection. Welcome, Thomas. Welcome, Thomas. Guten Tag. Okay, I think you come from Germany. Okay, and we are sharing to buyers how to do the inspection. Okay, if you like us, please follow us, and we have our well arranged live stream every Wednesday and Friday on 16:30 China time. Again, so this kind of the wooden international chess package checking need to make sure the package is correct color, box is designed right with the related information, or even have the barcode needed to be make sure. Then need to check the box itself. It should be outlook and appearance checking. So will be no damages, no chips, no crackers, no dirties, no impurities, no dusts, and of course, no bad smell. Okay? Nobody will like the goods if we first time to open the package and found it have a bad smell, right? And it's maybe harmful or have hazard information or materials. You may be asking how to do if there is a many defectives found and if you have the strange auto. Okay, so we want to tell you is how we handle the defectives. Firstly, inspector need to uh, stick an label on the defects and take a picture as a remark. Then we'll deliver this pass this defective product to factory workers for repairing, for fixing, for replacing. Okay, and once they finish it and pass to our inspector, check again. Okay, a question is coming. If our inspector left the factory and the goods is not fixed, how to do? So sometimes the examples cannot be, some of the defective products cannot be fixed. Then we suggest two ways for clients. First, if you trust this factory and think the problem is not very critical, then you can let the factory themselves for fixing and take you some pictures after they fixed. But you think it's necessary for a recheck, so you can arrange a re-inspection. Okay, and another question is coming: who will pay for the re-inspection? If it's you paid it or need the factory paid it? It depends. Okay, sometimes our clients pay the re-inspection cost. Sometimes it's factory paid. It depends on your contract with the factory. So you already knowing that quality control term on your contractor to identify to define the define definite define the who will pay the re-inspection cost can save you some extra cost, right? And we can help our clients freely to negotiate, evaluate their contract, and give some suggestions about the contract, especially the quality control terms. Okay, so if you like us and if you think we explain to you is helpful, please like us and follow us. Mm. We provided a 10% discount coupon, which you can use in the future with us at any time, any product, and any city. Okay, so the defectives we found, we need the factory to fix it on site. And if it cannot fix on site, need to factory let client know it's fixed or ask us for re-inspection. And the re-inspection cost, there is no standard who will pay. So it depends on clients and the factory to negotiate in advance before you sign the contract. Mm. So for the appearance checking, uh, there is much of the experiences. Okay, it depends on the inspector's experiences and knowledges. Like what about these patterns? If those uh, materials is a kind of wooden, okay, if there is any stronger bad odor, and if there is any impurities which is cannot removable, right? Okay, need to make sure those those edge should be very probably not too much for edge or it's transformed, right? And for this kind of lock, make sure it's no rust, need to be works probably not too tight to open or too loosened to fix it. Okay, so even this lock needed to be checked very carefully. Sometimes this lock, the, these two parts, it's not in the same level, right? Maybe this part in here, this part in here. Okay, it can be locked properly. So inspector need to check one by one about this lock. At the back, there is hinge, two hinge. Okay, sometimes because it is made by metal, sometimes it's rust, sometimes it's color differences, sometimes it's open and closed not properly. It's need inspector to open and close to see if it's correctly. Okay, and for the material itself should be the same color. Okay, should be no cracks, and those are the pallywood. Okay, these different levels should be uh, pallied and connected, combined very firmly. It looks like a original wooden, right? Okay, the inside checking, because the uh, international chess pieces, the checkers, the pieces uh, have many different kind of pieces. Some is king, some is horse, right? So need to make sure it's firmly settled. Put it into the foam very firmly, okay, without of removing or losing, okay. This is the first thing. Need to count the quantity will be correct, and with the related correct quantity of each kind of piece. And for the chess piece, we need to take it out and make sure uh, what is the size and what is the button leather and what is the color level. Okay, so we also need to test like this way if it will drop. Okay, and some of the chairs will be with mag- magnetic. Okay, so we need to put like here like this way to make sure the magnetic effective it works. Mhm. And because this is a black leather and this is gray foam, EVA foam, so sometimes if it's with dust inside or fingerprint will let the product looks as recycling or is already used. So inspectors need to wear the gloves, and if found it have dust inside, need to clean it, okay, with the fan gun to clean this, okay. So those 80 pieces of samples needed to check one by one. If find defectives, we pass to factory for fix or replace new and make sure. So what we will provide to you for every inspection, we provide three things to clients. Okay, one is the inspection report, which is a PDF file, PDF format. We provide this very detailed and professionally inspection result to you in the next day after inspection. Another thing is inspection videos. Sometimes we provide you at least one inspection video about the product from the cartoon box, the product itself. Let you have a a briefly idea about your product. Sometimes we will take more videos if necessary to explain you like some of the issues, some of the function testings, which is hardly to explain you by pictures. Then we will take videos to you. That will be the inspection videos. And another thing is the third thing we provide you is the inspection pictures pack, which is the original inspection pictures in high resolution. So because we cannot put every pictures in the report, so we send you the original pictures pack for you to read separately. You can zoom up the picture to see many details, or sometimes you can use our pictures as the uh, very good pictures for advertisement or promotionally. Okay, so this will be the basically function or outlook checking about this wood mag chess. Okay, and besides the checking, we need to uh, ask a factory to provide the related certificates if available. Okay, and we need to ask an inspector to take some pictures about the factories, like their workshop, even their uh, production line, or their company's gates, to let you clients have more understanding and have more information about factory. Okay, so this is briefly introduced about the wooden market chess. So clients will be asked, like you may be asking, when should I order the inspection? So we suggest the client to book the inspection 3 to 5 days earlier before the goods uh, uh, ready for inspection. Okay, 3 to 5 days earlier. Sometimes if your order is really urgent, of course you can order with us urgently, and we will try to help you, because every inspection order is a customized order. It's a unique order. Even your same order, last time inspection and this time inspection maybe have differences. So our inspector and our team need to learn your product, to study your product, which kind of testing should be taken, and they need to negotiate with the factory who will be uh, uh, what testing can be taken. This is the preparing work for each inspection. We need to let clients to be very trustworthy to us, that we did much of the homework to every inspection, and did a very to do a very perfect inspection. Okay, so if you have any question about inspection, can you type to us now, and we will answer it to you directly. Okay. So we have our many other colleagues to sharing the inspection with different products successfully. Successfully, okay. We have another six colleagues to sharing more products with inspection knowledge to you. So it's so much for me now, and thank you. If you like us, please follow us and give us some likes. So who will be the next?
Yes, me and Cynthia.
Oh, you and Cynthia. Okay, welcome our colleagues Amber and Cynthia. They will share more examples to you. Okay,
Hello
take care.
everyone, this is Amber.
Okay.
Yes. Cynthia will come here later. Yes.
OK，这里需要展示这个吗
我们待会自己弄这个啊。
？OK，
你要不要坐这边来？没事没事啊。
这个给你，
这个开了吗
然后这个我来看。
？Hello everyone, Cynthia from BD Special again. We are very happy to have a weekly live stream. Yes, this is Amber again too. So, which first product you wanna say? Yes, I want to introduce the gloves inspection checker. Yes, the gloves is my first product of inspection introduction. Yes. Yes, we talk today. The graphs we always have many functions of graphs. Can have it is winter here, and so you can protect your hand, protection the cold weather. Also, it is that is you can see from the screen there are silicone points on it. So it is also can high temperature heated, and also the cold temperature heated proof, or also cold proof. So yes, we will put it into oven to take off the high temperature hot food when you are baking or when you are doing some special or yummy food from a high temperature oven. And so what else? What tests? What tests we will do? Except the tests we said before. Yes, we will do the wearing test. Yes, wearing to have a try to see if it is the gloves fit for our hands well yes. Or not. Yes, was easier to put in our hands or not. Yes, my hands is too small. Okay, so it is the standard or common size, so everyone can use it because that is elastic. So we will be do another important test. What will do? Test? Yes, poorly. What pooling test to see to find what kind of problems we will meet.
Yes, if we will do the pouring test to see if uh, the stitching is and the sealing is
Uh,
well. Yes,
firm or not to
Mm.
see the swing or stitches firm or not when we
Yes.
pull it.
Mm.
So
to see if it is easy to broken. Yes.
okay.
Yes.
We turn over the graphs
Yes, we will turn over to see.
to see inside quality, right?
Mm.
The inside quality.
Yes, to see the if it is many the stitching the
Or broken holes,
yes,
right?
broken holes.
Some graphs we have inspected, the appearance on the surface are very good. No extra thread ends, no extra any dirty marks. But
Yes.
when we pull it over, there are some holes or many long thread ends
Yes,
on
we will.
inside. So welcome our new friend. We are doing Alibaba live stream here. Please
Yes.
stay here and
For
follow
us.
our session.
Yes.
So the graphs, what else defects we have did not mention? I think we can first start.
Yes, we will do the purling test as the gloves is the same.
The same.
Yes, purling is to purling the ear loop or and the full face mask to see if it is easy to broken.
Yes.
And the ear loop, we must using the big force to pull it. If it is easy to broken, yes. If we hand it put it
On your
under
face.
yes,
Yeah.
it easy to lose. That is not good to protect our health.
对
Yes.
yes. The ear loops. Some ear loops are too loose or some are too string.
Yeah.
I mean too short. Too short. When you wear the face, it will be uncomfortable when we wear it. So what kind of tests we will do about mask? First, we think we will wear it. Yes, because it is new one. We will wear it by them on the face to see it is can fit your uh, head no face or not. Also this the nose bridge, right?
Nose bridge.
Can
Yes.
be adjusted well or not.
Yes.
The nose bridge.
Yes, I can show you how can we do the face test. Yes. If
It is this is correct wearing
yes,
way.
yes, we can see the nose page. It can adjustable well. Yes.
So it is also the important part to do the inspection. The ear loop, also the nose bridge. Uh, what else we will do? Because the mask there are always five layers, right?
Yes,
Five layers. Yeah,
All the more layers.
Yes, at least should be five layers. Some masks have less, like 3 layers, but it is acceptable and it is not in a good quality. So the good quality and the standard of the mask should medical mask, right?
Yes.
Medical mask
That will be
five,
more,
at least five layers.
yes.
So we will cut it.
The
We will cut
layer.
it the
Yeah.
to see inside whether it is. you pull it by your
Yes.
hands. You are a strong lady. So
Yes,
what,
we will put
what we
broken.
yes we
Broken.
also can call it broken or damage test.
Yes.
We will ask factory to let us to open or cut it one.
Yes.
We can
We will
see there are
3 layers.
3 layers.
Yes, this one is 3
Three layers. Some masks have 5 or more.
Yes.
So
To protect
the human health can
Yes.
be more make it better.
Yes.
Also, we have doing the burning test, right? I have
burning
seen the inspector have doing the burning test. What burning test? It is to what you mean the burning test?
Yes, we will because this is protect our health. Yes. Also, we will see the burn the we use the lighter to fire the masks layer and by layer. Yes, to see
Whether
the
you will frame very big or make
yes
a
biggest
big
more
smoke. So
this-
the mask should
Mm.
be fire retardant, right?
yes
Retardant.
retardant.
It did not can make a big fire or
Mm.
big smoke. Then it can be a good quality mask.
Yes, it can burn it in quick time.
Yeah, like
Mm.
with a screenshot.
Yes.
Screenshot.
Welcome to our new friends Alibaba buyers. We are talking about the face mask inspection.
Yes.
We are BD inspection. Please follow us.
And
Yes.
stay here. Also, burning. Oh, I think another test we have forget.
Yes.
What's that? Water.
Oh,
Leakage.
waterproof. Yes.
Yes, waterproof. Because the mask is for protection, so the mask should also have the function. It can kind of almost kind of the water leakage.
Yes.
Let's try.
We can,
I have a water
try
here.
outside.
This is have water in here.
Yes.
We can see
There is
there is
no-
no water leakage or
Yes.
no water drops out. So it is the good mask. We
You
will
can
do it.
pass this check.
Yes. Let's repeat. Let's repeat. Let's repeat what the mask most tests we will do. First,
Burning test.
burning test.
Pouring test.
Pouring test. Also water leakage test.
Water leakage. And
Anything?
I saw the package is also
Yeah,
important.
the
Yes.
package of the mask. What is the most important package?
Yes, we inspected the mask in her in poly bag, in
Yes.
poly bag
So
and
the-
bossy package.
So the
Yes.
clean condition should be very important for the mask. There
Yes.
should be no dirty masks or no extra foreigner products or stuff inside it. It
Yes.
should be clean and well seated
Yes,
or
clean.
well seated in a box.
Yes, the shoe. If we will check the shooting, if it is well.
Yes,
the
well
shoe.
seated. So we finish the mask inspection introduce. What else we need to talk? This. It is a very cute watering pot, or we call
yeah.
watering can. What it will be used for
In garden
in gardening or anything you
at
wanna
home
do
is okay.
at home or gardening way. It is the gold
Rose
silk.
gold.
Yes, rose
Rose
gold.
gold, yes.
Rose gold. Maybe you can see it well. It is rose gold. It is a painting or coating products. For the coating or painting products, what will you do?
Yes, let me show you the pictures.
I can find it.
Exchange the location.
Okay. For the watering cans, it is coating products. We will always do the coating adhesion test. Yes, coating adhesion test. We will cross on the surface on large face. No, large surface will to do the 3M. Yeah, 3M
Yes, next one.
3M tape adhesion test. We will cross
Yes.
on the surface like the screenshot.
As the picture showed.
Yeah, the
3M.
picture showed.
3M tape.
Cross on the surface and then use the 3M tape, which welcome our new friend. We are
Alibaba buyers.
Iva Bears. We're doing the live stream about the watering tanks. We're talking about the 3M coating adhesion test.
Yes.
cross on the surface and use 3M tape to adhesion on the surface to see the painting can be easily off or not. If the painting it is firm, so it can be treated. Hello, welcome our new friend. We are talking about the water import inspection knowledge. Please
Yes.
stay here.
And follow us.
Yes,
Yes.
another new friend. Hello, please stay here and watching our live stream. Mm,
Follow us.
for us, yes. And so 3M tape test we will do for the coating products. Hello, new friend. 是谁呀？看不到。Linda. Hello, Linda. We are talking about the inspection of the water import. Please stay here and follow us.
Yes.
I think the next test, because it can hold water, so we need to fill in water inside the pot and use hand to feed it and to see whether it can be it can hold well or not. Watering, holding it and it can be hold well or not. Some water, some when water in it, the water is easy to pour out or not.
Yes.
Oh, it is not suitable to do this test here. Yeah, so you mean what I said. Also, the welcome our new friend. We are doing the Alibaba live stream here. We are talking about the water part here.
We are busy inspection.
So another test we will do put the watering pot on the table and to shake it to whether it is bottom is flatness or not. So it is stay firm and did not shake.
And volume check.
Warrant check, yes. Warrant check. It is need to do for all catering containers, like bottles, glasses, and pots. Any pots. So the container we will do the watering test. No, warrant test. We will fill in the water inside it,
Yes.
full water, and put it on a scale. Of course, we need to put the scale to 0 before we put the pot and use net weight function, and they can see what kind how many kgs kilograms
Yes,
will be.
kilograms.
So it will be the Warren scale. So the kilograms is the same as Warren as we always did in the inspection. So if the watering kilograms are like 100 100 grams.
Also NL.
Yes, grams. Like it is 100 grams, it is the same as 100 ml.
Yes.
So it is the way we will do during the inspection. Also, this kind of
Yes,
handle, whether to see it is well maintained or it is well connection, and each connection should be checked. It is well make a beautiful or a good finishing connection.
No any other scratch.
对，no any other
No sharp edge.
no sharp edge to check to hurt our pains.
Yeah.
So, what else we need to talk? This infrared pillow or
Inflatable fresh hair press.
it is a very
Yes.
very few
washing
products
tray.
we have infrared. It is infrared products.
Yes, inflatable.
Why we show these products? Because we just want to show how we will do the inspection about the inflated products,
Yes.
which we always have inspected in many manufacturers in different cities. Well, cities we always be inspected for the inflated products.
Yes, we normally inspected the inflatable products in Huai'an City, Jiangsu
Okay.
Province, and Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province.
Yes.
Inflatable. I thought maybe Guangdong Province quality will be better than
Maybe.
yes,
So
Huai'an City.
we just want to show how we will do about the inflated products. Just show example.
Yes.
Because we always some clients or factories have the inflated the pump, right?
Yes, yes.
Pump. It will be like, welcome our new friend. We are doing the Alibaba live stream here. Please stay here and follow us.
Yes,
We are
BD.
yes,
Yes.
and talking about inflated products.
Yes.
We talk on
We
pump. We
pump.
will use the pump. Some pumps will need to be used by hands, by workers, by hands. But most equipment we will use is machine,
yes, we will,
automatic pump.
Yes,
It
we
is
will ask the factory
to prepare
yes,
before the inspection. Most factories have the automatic pumps.
Yes.
It can inflate quickly than the hand
Save
by
time.
hands,
Yes.
save time. So what the most important test or what will be need to be careful about this kind of inspection.
Yes, we will check the stitching if there is
Stitches, I don't think there's stitches. The connection, right?
yes the connection.
The connection of the products.
Yes.
Because this kind of products like use a machine to machine to welding it, to welding the
yes, and no
the
sharp
edge.
edge.
Yeah.
Also, I have met a client. He told me we will must
The
measure
thickness.
yes
The thickness, right?
because it is double. Yes.
Double layer.
Double layer, and we also calculated the single layer. Yes.
We are talking about the inflated products inspection routine here. Please stay here. If you have any questions or you can message us or leave your questions here.
Yes.
We are talking about inflated products. I think the most test we will do is, of course, the inflate test. Use the pumps by the factories. The inflate after the we can inflate it and put it like 1 or 2 hours to see whether it will be air leakage or not.
Yes.
Because the products will be turn on the defects. Need to after several hours or several days using. So we need to see the air leakage or not. We can like press on the surface, or we can put some heavy cartons or let's have big guys to sit or okay wait a minute to sit on the products. We always suggest put some heavy cartons on the surface to see it is easy to air leakage or not. Also, the connection, like Amber said, the connection of products, it is very important. You said the age. I think the connection of the pulling the mouth, right? The mouth of the products. It is also very important. If the mouth it is not well well made it will be easy to leakage of the air after
Yes,
some
to see
hours.
if it is strong to
Strong to
Yes.
is it strong offer or not to.
Yeah.
So we will use force to pull it to see it is whether too easy to broken or make a holes. So it can make a conclusion of infrared products. First, infrared test.
Yes, infrared test.
Yeah.
And,
Use pumps.
uh,
Pumps we always suggest automatic pumps. Pumps we always suggest automatic pumps, machine pumps, right?
no by hands.
Not by hand. Of course, if the hands, there are many workers can do that. It is okay. It is
But-
better than nothing, right?
Yeah.
So the infrared product, infrared test use the automatic pumps to do it. Also, the connection
Connection
of
of
the each part, especially the edge connection and the mouth connection.
Yes.
What else?
And the vocal.
Vocal, but some products did not have vocal or vocal design.
Oh, but
Yes,
yes.
this
This
product
one
have.
have, yeah.
We are talking about the standard infrared products.
Mm.
Uh, Also, I think it is the old test, smelling test, because
yes,
it is
it's
practice.
practice.
We always have some practice. Plastic products have some exploded. When you first open the